Hello, my name is Gantiva. I am logistics coordinator from Lean Solutions Group, and today I'm going to talk about reducing the carbon footprint for sustainability in the logistics industry. I'm going to tell you some aspects about the generation of CO2 emission as a result of the consumption of fossil fuels. Also, I'm going to tell you some strategies that companies are developed to reduce that CO2 emissions and some alternatives that other companies are generating to help in the environment and reducing the carbon footprint in the industry. First, I'm going to explain you how a logistics industry consists. The logistics industry is basically the transportation of all cargo throughout the world, raw materials, products, special cargo, different kind of things that the companies has to move from one to another place to different place, and they have to look at some different strategies to move that kind of cargo. For that, they use all transportation methods like airplanes, like trucks, vessels, and doing the best strategy to doing that fast and use or reduce all costs as soon as possible. The logistics industry is one of the main industries that contaminates. They make the 2.4% of CO2 emissions in the world in 1 year, and for that reason they are using strategies like a group all different shipments in one vessel in order to spend only one vessel oil in order to reduce the cost. It's better in order to don't use like that merchandise consume like hundreds of oil in airplanes, hundred of oil in trucks, and the other strategies that they are implementing. It's change their assets, their transport methods. For example, they are buying electric trucks. They are buying a hybrid technology in their trucks. The technology that the same truck generates the energy that it can work without fossil fuels, and other strategies in order to adapt the world in a new way to transport the merchandise. For a conclusion, we can say that logistics companies are doing the different efforts in order to reduce that emissions, in order to help the world. They are doing the different alliances to suppliers to use different kinds of energy in their storage in the factories. They are trying to change their assets like their trucks for energy new trucks, for a hybrid trucks, for a new technology that can improve the way to make everything and not increase the cost, and doing a better job in order to 2030 they can continue working in different countries. For example, in Europe, that they have a goal that don't use more fossil fuels in 2030, and for that reason the companies are adapting their process in order to doing a better job and help the problem that is not for only logistics industry, it's for all industries.